Now, if you're B2C, Tanya, the first question you ask yourself is, are you operating in a mass category or a niche category? Are you a large fish in a small pond, or are you a small fish in a really large pond? Now, there are two ways in which you can answer this question. First is, as an entrepreneur, you have this gut-based instinct that tells you, you know what, I sell t-shirts online, I sell saris online, I'm mass. I conduct mental wellness classes online, I'm niche. Now, as an entrepreneur, you have this gut-based instinct. Obviously, we're talking about digital here, and you need to have a more data-backed, objective way to either validate or challenge this subjective hypothesis that you have. Now, which is where you open up the Google Adwords tool, and within which there is this tool called as the keyword planner, which to me provides you the fastest and cheapest market research ever. Right? So, all you have to do is enter keywords which are relevant to your dhanda, to your business, to your category, enter your target market. Let's assume in this case, Tanya, in your case, which is India, and you look at the quantum of monthly keyword search volumes out there for specific keywords relevant to your dhanda. Buy t-shirts online, buy saris online, etc. Now, it's not a perfect science, it is a part art, but you can assume that if your target market is India or a country which has an equivalent internet population size, if the monthly keyword search volumes are in excess of 20 to 25,000 searches a month, you can assume that the category you're operating in to be fairly mass. If it's less than that, you assume it to be niche.